to the power k by k factorial for k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So for a Poisson sampling, like we know that S summation I is equals to 1 to k. If I consider summation of xi from I is equals to 1 to n as some s, so this is sufficient, and this is also complete for this theta. So now, like if we have to find like the unbiased estimator of this thing, so simple unbiased estimator of, so basically unbiased estimator of this pk of theta, the simple unbiased estimator will just be the indicator function of one observation equaling this k. So let's say if we consider this t1, so if we consider t1 as indicator, x1 is equals to k, so that is unbiased estimator of this theta. So that means expectation of t1 is probability of x1 is equals to k, which is pk of theta. So that means by using this Lehmann-Scheffé, so by Lehmann-Scheffé, so Lehmann-Scheffé includes this complete sufficient statistic plus we'll be having like unbiased estimator. So the MVUE is nothing but the conditional expectation. So that means that is nothing but pk hat MVUE of S, which is expectation of indicator of x1 is equals to k given S, which is probability of x1 is equals to k given S. So given S is equals to S, we know that the joint conditional distribution of x1, x2 and so on xn, this follows multinomial with parameters S and equal probabilities 1 by n, 1 by n and so on 1 by n. So probability of x1 is equals to t given S is equals to S will follow a binomial distribution. So the PMF will be S choose t 1 by n whole to the power t into 1 minus 1 by n whole to the power s minus t for t is equals to 0, 1 and so on till s. So that means like if we try to see, so S choose t, so that is t, like we can consider like some k. So basically pk hat MVUE is nothing but probability of x1 is equals to some k given s. So that is summation xi choose k into 1 by n whole to the power k into 1 minus 1 by n whole to the power summation xi minus this k. So that means it will just be, so if we consider the options, so it is like option C. So therefore option C is the correct answer.